Alright, you all, so I just want to show you this fuel sending unit on a 1964 Ford F100. Basically, this is the ground cable, this is the positive cable, and I just want to show you this actuates between these variables right here, and it does it with this cork stopper. So this goes in the tank. As it gets full, it rises up. As it empties, it goes down. That's how it works. Now in here, I was having an issue, and I'm pretty sure it's because the guy who I bought this truck from, see if I can focus this, the guy who I bought this truck from didn't have a good ground. So this ground goes on to the frame of the truck. So I took out the screw and I ground down that metal to make it bare. And as soon as I did that, I connected these two cables up, which I'll do right now. Okay, so these cables are now connected, and I'll move it to there. And you can see, right now it's not doing anything. That's because the key is not turned. So now you turn the key to on. And as I move this variable, we have the fuel going up. See that? So I moved it in this sense right here. This is full. Okay, that's full. So now, coming back here, as you can see, it's full. Okay, so now when I lower it down here, right here, it's going to start moving down. And that's it. That's how this works. Before replacing this unit, make sure your ground is good. He painted the truck, he didn't ground it properly. That's it for today. Alright, so this is the fuel intake, the fuel sending unit. As you see in the last video, I showed you how this works. This articulates to create the measurement on your dashboard. What I didn't show you is that at the end of this is cork. So the original cork is this piece, and I noticed that it was well, I went to go fill up my gas, and after I found out that the gas tank was working, was filled up, which you can see here, it's pretty full. I went to get gas and I realized that the gas tank wasn't working. So, or that the gas gauge wasn't working. So then I realized that when I pulled this out again, that old piece of cork was just allowing it to dip all the way down. So I'm putting this new piece of cork on. I got this at this grocery store. It's from a champagne bottle, I'm pretty sure. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put it back in. Like this. Yeah, you see? It's floating. You see that angle? It's totally floating now. And we'll just put this, and we'll align this gasket and put the screws back in. See, the gasket aligned, okay? So I'm going to tighten those up, And I also showed you, I made sure this, which is the ground, was properly ground down. See, I used a Dremel tool and made sure that all that paint that got on there, we took paint off right around this line, this contact point, the ground. Okay, so let me tighten these up. Right now I'll put these on. Even before we tighten those up, we can go ahead and turn the key. Okay, turn the key. When you turn the key, one stop, you can see here, look, all the way full. Okay, I'll show you that again. When you turn it off, it goes down. Turn it on. Look, all the way up. So that's pretty much, that's it. That's the fix. Again, just to review, this old cork, that was the problem. It's soaked, it's dead weight. Replaced it with a new cork. Just went to the grocery store and asked them for old corks. Just replaced it. And so that was really the real issue. Anyway, hope it helps you out.